Hi, and welcome to yet another video of Me's Lifestyle, and this is Kshitij Bhatnagar. And you know what? Though I was really busy today in my office work, so I didn't really thought of making a video today. But then again, when I took a break from that work that I was doing, and there were thoughts that were running in my mind, and one of them was that I've been lying to myself lately. Not really lately, but probably since forever. For as long as I can remember, I've been lying this to myself that let's get the intro rolling before that. Hi, so as you can see, I found a new spot to shoot my videos, and just right under the sun, because it's kind of warm here in this दिल्ली की सर्दी, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है. And this golden hour light makes me look beautiful, which I'm not really aiming to become. Yeah, but still. So the fact I was lying to myself about was that I'm really lonely. तो ये नहीं कि ये अभी की बात है. I've been lying about this to myself since forever. मतलब as long as I can remember, I've been lying this to myself. तो ये चीज़ आज रियलाइज हुई मुझे when मैंने बताया है कि बहुत सारी अजीब अजीब थॉट्स चलती हैं, एंड आउट ऑफ दैट आई पिक्ड ऑन टू दिस वन बिकॉज आई रियली थॉट कि मुझे ये शायद बता देना चाहिए बिफोर, बिकॉज आई रियली फील दैट इफ आई एम गोइंग थ्रू दिस, इफ आई एम गोइंग थ्रू द ओके वेट सॉरी हाँ, so if I'm going through this, that I've been lying to myself that I'm really lonely and I need someone to complete me, and there is nothing I can do in this world without someone or with someone's support. That's really a shitty thing to realize, to know, to tell yourself every day. That's really a really shitty thing to say. So I really thought कि मुझे ये सारी बातें अगर if I'm going through this, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि मैं अकेला बंदा हूँ. There are 90% chances, 95% chances कि हम में से बहुत सारे लोग ये सारी चीज़ें अपने आप को रोज़ दोहराते होंगे that we are very lonely, we need someone to talk to, we need कि हम किसी के सपोर्ट में रहें. अगर हमको कोई मेजर डिसीजन लेना है, we need someone's कन्विंसिंग, और या फिर उनका कुछ सपोर्ट, या वो बस मुझे एक बार सपोर्ट कर देना हो. The fact that you are all on your own and you're capable of doing every single shit in this world is, I agree, it's totally really difficult to realize, but it's very important, very very important to realize कि आप lonely नहीं हो. It's just कि since the time you're growing up, you've been accustomed to people's company, to be in a group, to follow a crowd. nah, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आप lonely नहीं, मतलब you're all you need to live your life to the fullest, to the fucking fullest. You're all you need. आपको किसी और की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको किसी की acceptance की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And that's what I've been talking about. The fact that we've been craving for someone's acceptance, for someone's agreement to your own choices is really shitty. हम लोगों की acceptance के पीछे भाग रहे हैं कि हम अगर if they accept us, if अगर हम थोड़ा सा अपने आप को मोल्ड कर लें अकॉर्डिंग टू देम, तो दे विल एक्सेप्ट अस. एंड आई रियली फील दैट एंगर, ये चीज़ अभी बात करते हुए भी, दैट देर आर प्रॉब्ली hundreds and thousands of us, a majority of percentage who believe कि हम मतलब लाइफ इज व्हाट कि हम दूसरों के सपोर्ट से ही जी पाएंगे. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. मैं अपने आप को झूठ बोलता आ रहा था, मुझे दोस्तों की ज़रूरत है, मुझे गर्लफ्रेंड्स की ज़रूरत है, मुझे पता नहीं किस किस की ज़रूरत है। ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, मुझे किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आई एम ऑल कंप्लीट इन माई ओन सेल्फ। यू नो दैट्स द पॉइंट व्हेन यू रियलाइज कि आपको खुद को प्यार करना इज कितना इम्पोर्टेंट। इफ यू आर नॉट लविंग योर सेल्फ, हाउ द फक डू यू नो एक्सपेक्ट द अदर पर्सन टू लव यू? एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट हमें ऐसी कोई एक्सपेक्टेशंस रखनी नहीं चाहिए, यू नो, बिकॉज यू नो ये यूनिवर्सल फैक्ट है, एक्सपेक्टेशंस लीड्स टू डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स, एंड वो होता ही है, दैट्स टोटली इनएविटेबल। देयर इज अ वेरी रेयर चांसेस कि आप किसी से कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करो एंड वो हो जाए, until unless they are your friends who behave like a family, and you know the people who I'm talking about. तो ये चीज हटा दो, you know, अपने आप को ये झूठ बोलना बंद करो। Stop lying to yourself that you're so fucking lonely you can't do shit about your day. That's not the way you have to, you know, go through your day. Nah. What you have to say to yourself is, you are the only single thing that you need today, tomorrow, and for the rest of your fucking lives. You need only you. Just try karo. All I want from you is to try and be as much as yourself. You're not lonely, man. Come on, you're not lonely. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं दुनिया में। The world is not ending. अगर आपको किसी की एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं मिल रही, आप किसी के साथ नहीं हो पा रहे, the world is really not ending. तो ये झूठ बोलना बंद करो। Stop lying to yourself. You're not lonely. अब भी whatever your dream is, whatever you want to do with your life, you can still do it. All I know, because you know this is human nature. If you are gonna take a big decision that might even change your life, that might even turn out to be a turning point in your life, आपको उस टाइम पे ना किसी का सपोर्ट चाहिए, moral support, emotional support, financial support. I agree, but you know the feeling when you realize that you're all by yourself and you can do everything and anything you want in this world is out of the box. And trust me, I know initially you might even need emotional support, moral support. I get that. But you have to aim for the point when you won't need anything. You can live your life the way you want. Just stop expecting, stop lying to yourselves. You're not alone. You are not alone. No one is alone. You are your best company. You are the person, you are the only one who can think the best about you. You do realize that, right? You should be, you have to be the best person to think the best about you. आप ऐसे नहीं किसी के सामने किसी को ऐसी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, इतना हक दे सकते that they can change and they can mold you in a certain way. So you're not alone. You have to realize and you need to start loving yourself more. That was the thought of the day today. I'll wrap up this video here, and I really hope कि आपने मेरी बात समझी होगी. Because trust me, because this is a very strong feeling that I got today, and I really felt like talking about it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, just keep running in your mind that you are not alone. You are never alone. And even if you feel lonely, start enjoying your company and be powerful. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, before I leave, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'll see you in the next video.